Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add background image in heading, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress website and here I am creating a new web page using Elementor, and I have just created a section, and in that particular section I have added a heading widget. Right now what I want is to add background image to this heading using Elementor. So how I can do that? Whenever you move cursor over the heading, right, if you are if you have added the heading in the container or a section, then there are another methods, right? So let me tell you the first method first. Like here I have just added a heading in a flex box, or you can say section, right? And when we move our cursor over there, then just above the section there is a option of edit container, this 6 dot, right? You need to click on that, and here in the left side toolbar there are three settings again. The first one is layout setting, the second one is style, and the third one is advanced. You need to move to the style setting of the container. Okay, and here in the background you need to select the normal, and in the background type you can select the classic, right? And here you need to choose the image. So if you have already uploaded the image, then you can simply select it from media library, else you can upload a new image from your system by using the upload files option. So I have already uploaded the image, so I will simply select that particular image and click on select. So as you can see, the background has been added. Right now we can simply change the position of this background. Okay, so in the left side toolbar itself, in position we are going to choose custom, and here in the Y position we can simply increase or decrease the Y position, right? And we need to change the heading color because right now it is merging with the background and is losing its visibility, right? So we need to click on the pen icon on the heading, right, to edit that particular heading. And in the left side toolbar, again in the style setting, we need to change the text color. So let me change the heading color to white or something else so that it could be more visible. Okay, so in this manner you can simply add the background to your heading, right? This was the first method. Now let me tell you the another method. If you are using a container, then you need to add a particular container first, because in the style of heading directly you can't change the image, right? You can't add the image. So if I am using the container, then I need to edit the container, right? So for editing the container, just move your cursor over the container and you will see a gray box icon, right? To edit that container, you just need to click on edit container, and in the edit container there are again three kind of settings in the left side toolbar: layout, style, and advanced. So you need to move to the style, and here in the style you need to go to the background setting, and the background select normal, and background type use classic, and in image choose image, and you need to select the image from media library and click on select. So as you can see, behind the heading the image have been added, right? Now let me tell you third method, right? As you can see in this container, like image have been added in background for the whole container, right? So under the heading also there is background image, and under the paragraph also there is background image. So now let me tell you another method. If you are creating a new container, right? So for that we just need to add a new container. So in the top black header line you just need to click on add element plus icon, and here you just need to search for container and drag and drop that container in the section, okay, in the grid, right? And here we have simply added the container. Now we are going to add one more container in it. So here we are going to click on plus icon, again add element in the top black header line and search for container. Okay, I have added a container in the grid section, right? And here I'm going to edit that small container which is inside the container, right? So to edit that particular container, just move the cursor over that container and click on the gray box icon in the tab top left corner. So In the left side toolbar there are three settings again: layout, style and advanced. You need to go to the style setting, and in the background type choose classic, and background normal choose image, and here you can simply add that image which you want to. Now I have clicked on select that image, and in the position I'm going to choose the custom, and I'm going to decrease the Y position. Okay, now I'm going to add the heading. So for adding the heading, again I'm going to the add element button in the top black header line, right? I have clicked on that, and in the search with widget I'm going to search for heading, and now I'm going to drag and drop this heading into that particular container, the small one, right? And here I can simply change the text of the heading in the left side toolbar itself in the content setting. So play at funzip. Okay, I have written this text, and in the style setting in the left side toolbar I'm going to change the text color to white, and I'm going to center line this heading. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to add paragraph under this heading. So for adding the paragraph you just need to move your cursor again to the black top headline, right? Header line, and you just need to search for widget, that is text editor. So I have just searched for text editor. Now I am going to add this text editor over here. So as you can see, the paragraph, the text doesn't have background image, whereas if I talk about the heading, it does have background image. So I have told you about three methods, right? How to add head background image in the heading, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about the Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. Just visit to my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.